Now we will just go about the cell addressing. In this category we are having cell addressing, say relative, absolute and mixed referencing. First of all we will go for the relative referencing. For this I have this column, say with the name say total. Now suppose I want to just calculate this say D into E. So how to give? Say D is the column here and 5 is the row. So address will be D5 and say sum or whatever you want to go for, say C, let's say C5. Okay, this will be better because we'll have the complete range. C5 plus, then we are having say C D5 plus E5. So we are having this range now, and just put this all expression in the parenthesis and then click on this enter key. Now you can see this is showing me the sum of this all values. Now girls, if I want to just go for this for all these values over here, I need to select with the help of this. Just press this and then you can observe it is all showing me like this here. This is known as the fill handle. So you can observe here, this is the relative referencing. What it is known as relative referencing, as I know, you know very well. C5, D5, E5 we have given the formula, but you can see it is automatically changing according to the relative referencing. So this is known as relative referencing. Besides this, we are having absolute. In this absolute referencing, how can we give? Say is equals to, suppose C5 say into, if I am performing into dollar, to make my particular cell address static, then I need to use this dollar symbol like this, and C I have to get D5, any expression, but we have to use dollar before using this dollar D and say dollar 5, and then just close it. Then you will get the output over here like this. See, I didn't actually, you have to place this expression in the parenthesis. This I need to put this parenthesis over here, then press the enter key like this only. So we have to give say is equals to, then we are having what, say either E6, okay, E6 into EF, we can say dollar F dollar 6 like this, and then say press enter key. Now you can see the output over here, because I made this F6, F is the column and 6 is this, so I just want to multiplication of these two cells over here is showing me like this only. Now with the help of this fill handle, if I just need to drag it, then you can see the output how it is showing me. It is showing me like this corresponding, this changing E7, but F6 you can observe the value it is giving me, that is fixed with reference to, this is a change, E9 this is changing, but F6 this is a fixed because I put this dollar mark on this address. You can observe over here dollar sign before this F6. So this is static, it is not changing, but this is changing, this value is only changing E7, E8. This is known as absolute self referencing. After this we are having third, that is known as mixed referencing. In this, how to give this is equals to, then we need to say this parenthesis I told you, dollar say E, then dollar E, and then say 5, then curly braces, they have to place a multiplication sign, then say dollar, again we need to put dollar say F and dollar say 5. We have to give like this, and you can see the output over here. This is known as mixed referencing. So it is changing according to the formula and functions. You can see the output over here, E13, F5, and here this F5, again the same thing you can observe over here, that is known as mixed referencing. After this, we have just completed all these functions over here. So this is the end of formulas and functions that is available in MS Excel. Thank you, girls.